Hello everyone, welcome to the Xoro Upload Customers tutorial. In this guide, we're going to walk through how to upload your customers into the Xoro system. So first thing I'm going to do is go to the Upload Customers module. I'm going to navigate there by just searching for it in the menu and clicking on it. And basically you're going to follow the steps basically laid out on the page. So the first step is you're going to download the template. The second step is you're going to fill the template with your data, following some of these important notes here. And then the third step is basically upload the data into the system. And so let's go ahead, let's download our template. And before I begin, actually, I just want to mention the help article here for the upload customers page. So if you click on here, it's actually going to show you what each field means from the template. And so what kind of data goes into that field. So whether it's a number or a phone number or any sort of information like that. So this will give you a good idea of how to fill your template. So let's go ahead, let's download our template. And there we go. So I'm actually just going to open the template for you and just show you kind of how it looks like. So this is basically where you'd fill in your information. I've already got a template filled actually. So I've got a sample template here. I've intentionally left this first column blank. So it's actually a mandatory field, and so I'll need to have it filled. And so we'll actually see some errors come out of the system because of this. So it's going to tell me that you need to fill this out. So let's go ahead, let's try uploading this sample file. So I'm just going to click here and I'm going to select my sample file, sample customers, verify and upload. And on the screen, you can actually edit some, you have one more chance to edit the information before updating it. So let's go ahead, let's upload the customers. And you can actually see that it's given me 4 errors. So I can actually download the file to see what those 4 errors were. So let's download the file. And let's open it and let's scroll all the way to the right. And you can see here that it's saying that the customer name is required. So that column is actually needed in order for the upload to go through successfully. So let's go ahead. Let's fill that field. There we go. So I'm actually just going to save this. So now that I've got this column filled with data, I'm actually just going to try it again. And let's go verify and upload customers. And we've still got some errors, so let's see what's happening this time. So I'm actually just going to upload, check what this error file says. So it's telling me that the customer email already exists. So I'm actually just going to go ahead and change this email. So let's go ahead, let's go to the email page. It should be here. And let's see, I've got it under the other contact info. Looks like I've got the same emails a couple times. So it's actually going to warn me about that. So I'm actually going to change this email, save it. Let's actually try it again now. Verify and upload customers. And this time the 4 customers went through. So this is basically how you would upload your customers, your master customer file into the system. One more thing I want to mention is if you want to batch edit customers, you do it in a very similar way. So instead of downloading a blank template, you download the existing customers. So this will download a CSV from the system that has all the existing customers. And basically that file that gets downloaded, you can edit it, you can make changes. It'll be a CSV file, and then you can reinsert it back into the system and it'll update your customers in batch.